Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing buffering problems while streaming Sling TV, follow these troubleshooting steps to improve your video playback speed and streaming quality. Step 1. Check your internet connection speed by running a speed test. Sling TV requires at least 5 megabits per second for HD streaming and 25 megabits per second for optimal performance. Step 2. Close other applications and devices that are using bandwidth on your network, including downloads, uploads, and video streaming on other devices. Step 3. Restart your streaming device by unplugging it from power for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in and waiting for it to fully restart. Step 4. Restart your router and modem by unplugging both devices for 30 seconds, then reconnecting them and allowing them to fully reboot. Step 5. Move your streaming device closer to your Wi-Fi router or use an Ethernet cable for a more stable wired connection. Step 6. Clear the Sling TV app cache by going to your device settings, finding the Sling TV app, and selecting Clear Cache or Clear Data. Step 7. Uninstall and reinstall the Sling TV app to ensure you have the latest version with all bug fixes and performance improvements. Step 8. Contact your internet service provider if buffering continues, as there may be network congestion or service issues in your area. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.